guys, welcome to On Our Shelf. Today I have the Axum Gear wireless earbuds. Let's check these out. Alright guys, so here are the earbuds. It has 4 hours of playtime. A fully charged case can recharge the earbuds 6 times. And take a look at this. You can see the earbuds glow through the case. That's pretty cool. Now keep in mind that these earbuds are rainproof and sweatproof only. They are not waterproof, so don't go swimming with these. And the earbuds will work with any Bluetooth supported device. With the multi-function button on the earbuds, you can play, pause, answer calls, skip songs, and reject calls. Now this company, Axum Gear, claims that their earbuds never fall, so when you're working out, it doesn't stop your workout. They have deep bass to pump your blood, and it has a portable charging case, so you'll always have juice. That's sweet. Now with that being said, let's see what comes inside the box. Let's take the top box off. So my first impressions, I think the presentation is nice and neat, very organized. And the first thing that you're greeted with are the Axum Gear earbuds and the portable charging case. So let's take a closer look at them. Alright, so here is the portable charging case. Nice simple design. Let's take a look at it all around. I'll show you how to charge these earbuds in a minute. Let's push this button here to show you the inside. Alright, let's set the portable case down and take out the earbuds. Alright, so here's a closer look at these tiny earbuds. They're so tiny they almost look like jewelry. Let me show you a quick selfie of what they look like on. They look like earrings. They're very lightweight. You have silicone and foam ear tips. The left and right are labeled on the inside. Here's a brief introduction. You have the LED indicator light, the multi-function button, and a built-in microphone. Alright, those are the Axum Gear earbuds and the portable charging case. Let's see what else comes in the box. You have the Axum Gear instructions, 1 micro USB cable. Alright, so in this package it includes 5 foam tips, 5 ear tips, and 4 ear rubber cups. So you shouldn't have any trouble finding the perfect fit for you. Alright, so I took everything outside of the box. That's everything. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Alright, sound quality. Now, I was actually really surprised at how well these sounded. Now, if I were to rate these on a scale of 1 to 10 for sound quality, I would give it a 7. What stands out to me the most is the bass. The bass is deep. The vocals are clear and precise. With that being said, call quality is really good. In the upper left-hand corner, you see me shaking my head and moving it around. You don't see the earbuds falling out, so they don't fall. And yeah, the sound quality is really good. I really like these. So yeah, if you're in the market for a new set of truly wireless earbuds, I would recommend these Axum Gear earbuds. They are really good. The bass stands out to me. I like the design. They're lightweight, they're portable. They have adjustable hooks, so it's designed to never fall when you're working out, so that's great. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Take care. Please subscribe, comment, like, share this video. We appreciate you. I hope I didn't forget anything, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.